Good morning. I hope you are doing great. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what's really happening? This is my trade setup for this week. So I'm trying to see if maybe I will have any trades. Remember, in the market, guys, there is no a day where you can say I will have to trade. Wait for the market to present that opportunity for you before you even say I can see a trade, because sometimes there's this thing of saying I will take 5 trades per week, I will make this much per week, and those plannings, I think, they are not really right, because at the end of the day you are going to be forced to trade unnecessarily. But if you wait for an opportunity to present itself, it means you don't actually judge anything. You're just waiting for the market to give you something, then you take it. So, which means not every day it's going to be a trading day. You see. So that's why you should do this almost every day, early in the mornings or any time, just to see if maybe there is something happening. Mondays sometimes they disappoint, or most of the time they disappoint. Tuesdays it's where the market start to warm up, but Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays the market moves very nice. You see. So as we started with gold, we saw if maybe you want to see where other like DXY, you can go check my previous daily analysis, and maybe you will get something there. But I don't really see any change from what I've done yesterday. But with the trade setup, it's different because I just want to see where I can actually buy or sell. So with a structure like this, we are on gold. You can see that the market was going up, as I did explain several times. But since then, we had a very nice breakout. So this shows us that we are no longer on that nice uptrend. Now we are about to go down. Okay, but since we have some serious economic news left and right, there is tensions left and right, so sometimes gold can reverse anytime. You see, the ESSA, I don't know if maybe this is confirmed that Ukraine, sorry, they can use a long range missiles against Russia and stuff like that. So that, I think, it's also something that puts panic that, oh, we might have an escalation of the war and stuff like that. And that obviously will actually aggressively push gold to go up. Let me get some water, guys. I don't think. Yes. Okay, sorry. So yeah, I was talking about tensions, Ukraine and Russia. So if US actually, or let's say Biden, authorized that they can use a long-range missiles, that will actually escalate the war, you see. So, and that, when we look that in the market, that will put little bit panic on the stock markets and other pairs. Then we will see gold going higher again. But if that is not really the case, we can easily see that since we broke out, now we're supposed to say we are on a downtrend, you see. So now it means we expect to see the market going lower without any, if we don't really count any economic news. But we have to, we can't just ignore any economic news. So at the moment, we can see that we had a proper sell. You can see that this sell actually started here. We never had any reversal. So this reversal, to me, I think it's good. I don't know if maybe it will be trying to continue, but I think around these levels, it's where maybe the market can respect before going lower. Do you see that? So which means I need to have an area that I can use as like a valid area. So to say I can take a sell. You see, even if the market respect that zone there, I will expect to take a trade if maybe the market respect that and go lower, because this was the first resistance or first area that the market created. The market can respect that. Another one, it's here. You can see the market was struggling around this level. So it means around this level, that might be an option for me to look for that sell. If the market respect that, we might see a nice sell from that. And if we check on the economic calendar, we don't really have much, so which means we have to follow the structures. But please also check what's really happening with the geopolitics, right? So that's what we have. And if the market decides to break these levels, it means that I can say we might be ready to see the market pushing to the upside, or maybe the market might test this level. But since we broke out, it means at the end of the day, we might see the market going lower. So we don't really know which area the market is willing to respect. As we can see that at the end of the day, we can say, yes, we are actually on a downtrend. But you can see we don't really have a proper structures that we can say this is solid, but it gives us hope that, yeah, this might be a very nice downtrend. So which means we might see the market doing something like that. And you can just play around this like that. But if it continues to go higher, it means that we will be reversing to that uptrend. It's possible. Way too possible. So let's push to the next one, which is US30. On US30, I think it's quite straightforward. You can see that we are still on this nice uptrend. And we have an area that we can call a support. If we go closer, you will see that we have this area that we can call a support zone. You see this? Here the market did not really even see that area, broke out very aggressively, but we have this point there and they make sense. And now you can see that the market actually respects this area, so which means we have enough chance for the market to do what? To go higher. But we also need to be extra careful, because sometimes the market might just consolidate just because this was an area, then after the market might go lower. So if the market goes lower, it means we have to check what's next. What is our next support area? So which means at the moment we can't say we have a solid horizontal support area on the structure. We have this diagonal structure that it's actually our support area. So I don't know, around that level, we can see that we can say, yeah, we might move like that. So if it breaks somewhere around those levels, then it's where maybe the market might go up. But at the moment, we already have an area. Only if this area is broken, it's where we can start to say, okay, it's where we're gonna look for something else. But at the moment, we have to focus on this structure that we have here. So if we focus on this structure, obviously, if the market respects that, we might see the market going back again, because we all know that the stock market is aggressively positive. And it seems like we're going to continue like that going further. 2025, it seems like we're going to see the market going higher. I even think this is a very smaller move. Remember, US30 now includes NVIDIA. NVIDIA, I think, is going to be the one that is going to push the markets to go even higher. I think we're going to have some earnings from NVIDIA. I will check that on the news. Actually, I will confirm that tomorrow. If we have those earnings anytime soon, and if they are quite positive, it's where you will start to see US30 going aggressive, similar to US30, because similar to Nasdaq. Nasdaq also have NVIDIA. I hope you understand that. You see, so if you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that sub. So now we are on Nasdaq. So the overall structure here on Nasdaq, we can see that we have that type of a structure. You see that the market was moving in between, quite similar to US30. So on Nasdaq here, I like what I see, because the market aggressively pushed higher. Oh, sorry, before we continue, don't forget that, guys, we have the indicator for actually $149. The indicator works like this. You plug it on your MT4 and it starts to show you signals for any pair that you want. from gold to oil to currency pairs to indices to also cryptos. If your MT4 includes, or let's say if your brokers include a crypto, you can get that. But if you are a member, of the team, you can get it for 110. So that it will be a sort of our Black Friday. So let me show you how the system works very quickly. I won't take much of your time. Also, this is GBP USD. You can see that if maybe you trade in currency pairs, there was a very nice buy and the market was going up. If you checked a GBP, this was actually around the support area. And that is very nice. That is very clean. So obviously you are going to make something. Let's check gold. I missed gold yesterday, and you can see since yesterday, I did talk about this. Check yesterday, we had that buy. So even today, the market did not really reverse. So which means you get proper signals. Just look here. If maybe you were looking for a sell, just look how it ran. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. So even here on top, you can see that. Let me see. Okay. You can see from here, this was a proper sell also. Just look. You see, so once you get the system, guys, it doesn't even expire. It's just plug and play. It's quite easy. If maybe you're using MT5, you can just plug this on your MT4. Then you can take your trades on MT5 or on your phone. Simple as that. You see. So it seems like here the market wants to give us a sell signal. Once you get something like this, you wait a little bit, it will print another one, then you jump in. Simple as that. So you can see here, if you were trading oil, you were going to smash it left and right. Let's see Nasdaq. Nasdaq, it still shows us that we were supposed to buy around the support area. Okay, that's nice. But just look at that sell. So you get all these signals and you just throw anything there, you get signal instantly. So yeah, and you just do this on your own and just keep quiet and start to smash the market. I hope that makes sense. So you can see. So yeah, let's go back. So for those who want this system, you can scan this QR code on WhatsApp and just talk to me, because remember that $110, it's actually for only first 20 people. Then we're going back to our $149 because it's working. So on Nasdaq, we can easily see that, yeah, the market, it is still on this nice uptrend, but we have some structures. Since we have this reversal, if we go closer, you can see that we had a very nice push and a very proper reversal. I can say this is enough. And the market showed us that, okay, I'm giving you an area, a clue there, that is going to be our next support. Already we had this area for quite some time. You see that? So now the market shows us that it's respecting this. So now for us to buy, it means the market has to come around the support area and bounce back. It's where we're going to look for a buy, or the market has to break this resistance area before we look for that buy. Simple as that. So on this one, I think it's quite straightforward. What you can do here, you can place a notification here. You can, if you saw US30, I think you saw that it was already around this level. So if we break this area, then we can have a buy above this that level. So if the market doesn't break that, it means we might see a market respecting this level going up again. Maybe it might consolidate here and there, but we're just going to wait for the market to give us trades around this level, something like this. Let me do that very quick, something like that above that level. Or we can copy and paste that and say, if maybe the market comes around this level, that is going to also be, it's going to be another opportunity. Do you see that? Or above that. So we have options, but at the moment you can maybe place your notification around this level and say, you know what, that will be fine. I'm not going to do anything. I will just have to wait. Sometimes you have to know when to wait for an opportunity. That's why we say not every day is just going to be a trading day. I hope this makes sense. So now it's US oil. US oil, I've been talking about this. The market showed us that it's about to go to move away from this support area. So at the end of the day, it seems like the market will just consolidate around this level. Because actually, at the moment, we can say we are on the lowest side. So I'm expecting a proper ranging structures. At the end of the day, we might see the market going lower as we are on this nice downtrend. But at the moment, I won't do anything. Maybe the market has to reach that area before I'm convinced, but at the moment, I'm not. So which means I will just have to wait. So anyways, thank you very much. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want the system, scan that QR code and talk to me, then we can start to eat together. So thank you very much. Bye.